Hello everyone, Haydn Sallmann here. I lead the Google Workspace business for Asia Pacific. It's my privilege to play a role in shaping the future of work across APAC with Google Workspace. Google Workspace is the leading cloud-native AI-powered collaboration platform, trusted by over 3 billion active users globally. Last year alone, over 100,000 customers eagerly adopted our Gemini add-on, showing a clear demand for AI-driven productivity. In fact, Workspace now provides business users over 2 billion AI assists every single month. I'm incredibly fortunate to work with innovative organizations across APAC who are already harnessing Gemini's power. NTUC FairPrice in Singapore uses it for seamless operations and digital transformation. Kia is leveraging it for a major digital shift in mobility and electrification. HCL Software adopted it to accelerate workflows, boost innovation, and strengthen security. And Canva relies on it for seamless global communication and continuous growth. These examples show how Google Workspace, powered by Gemini AI, is not just a tool, but a strategic partner for the future of your business. For years, digital transformation has been a key focus. Now, the conversation has decisively shifted to generative AI. We're moving beyond just leading the AI movement to actively driving its adoption and fundamentally transforming entire organizations. This rapid pace, however, presents new challenges. How do we empower teams with this new technology and capability? How do we look to business and industry use cases to ensure business impact? And how do we ensure and manage the threat of shadow IT or unsanctioned generative AI apps in our organizations and ensure whatever is being used is safe and secure? These are the critical questions we set out to answer with our latest Google Workspace APAC executive study on generative AI, leadership strategies for the future of work. We engaged hundreds of CXOs and senior leaders across diverse industries in APAC to understand their experiences, their challenges, and their vision for Gen AI. While the enthusiasm for AI is widespread, many organizations are grappling with the practicalities. Common challenges emerge, such as the reliability and trustworthiness of AI-generated content, with participants noting AI's tendency to confidently provide incorrect information, referred to as hallucinations. Data security and confidentiality are paramount worries, especially regarding the sharing of sensitive company information with external AI models. Highly regulated sectors like finance and medical technology face additional hurdles due to evolving regulatory frameworks and complex ethical considerations. Furthermore, organizations across all regions are grappling with workforce adaptation, including employees' fear of job displacement, resistance to new technologies, and the crucial need to reskill employees for an AI-powered workplace. Our research explored 4 strategic imperatives for a successful Gen AI journey, focusing on leading with value, in other words, having an AI augment human capabilities and ensuring oversight for critical decisions. Building an AI-enabled secure digital core that includes unified data management and robust governance, crucial for data security and ethical considerations. Reinventing talent and ways of working, such as Gen AI, working in partnership with teams, enabling them to conduct high-value work while upskilling in the process. Fostering a culture of experimentation by encouraging the trying of new AI tools and learning from failures, democratizing access to technology, with leaders driving strategic investment. This study, it's designed to equip you as leaders with the insights needed to navigate this complex yet incredibly promising landscape. At Google Workspace, we're committed to empowering your organizations with the intelligent tools and secure platforms that unlock the full potential of your workforce, all safeguarded by Google's trusted enterprise-grade security that keeps your company data safe and secure. I encourage you to download the full study using the QR code or the link on your screen, dive into the insights, reflect on how to apply them to your organization, and join the conversation. Let's explore how Gen AI can truly shape the future of work across our region.